Hello and welcome to a new video. This video is going to be totally in English, and since my last video about Zhuhai, the drone shots from Zhuhai was pretty decent, pretty successful, so I was thinking about why not using all my drone shots out of the last half year from all the places I've been to in China, put them together and do a kind of a reaction video to it. So that is what we're going to do today. So let's get right into the video. Okay, the first footage I'm gonna share with you guys is from Guangxi province and Yangshan County. I really love that place. It's a small, cute place right close to Guilin, and you got all these small, beautiful mountains, small villages close together, and it's just perfect for relaxing, for free climbing and all the stuff. And it's crazy though, even though that's a small county, but you're gonna meet a lot of foreigners over there, because all of them like free climbing and a lot of nature. Oh, that is the village where I stayed. Oh, please look at the river and the mountains. And I didn't even use filter for that. So it's like all the colors you see are the real colors from that day. Look at that river. That was a river where we used to swim, and I really like that drone shot. I think it's one of the best drone shots I did. Yeah, for sure. And now going up. Ah, it's just beautiful. And even still the same river. And that is the Rui mountain. It's also close to Yangshan. It's a little bit higher, that mountain. It was a little bit foggy on that day, and if you guys are afraid of height, you shouldn't go there, because I'm afraid of height. And yeah, my knees, my legs were pretty shaky. Look at that beautiful sunset. Oh my god. While I was taking that drone shot, I was actually sitting there because I couldn't stay. It was so high and I was so afraid of heights. Yeah, so that is basically Guangxi province, Yangshan County. And yeah, if you want to go there, go to that Rui mountain, use the path they give you and just walk in between and through the mountains. Yeah, look at that footage. How afraid I was. It's crazy. It's just, if you're afraid of heights, you shouldn't go there. Nah. Yeah. That wasn't fake. And the next footage, as you can see, is from Xinjiang. Last year, also around summertime, I went to Xinjiang for 10 days, and it was also one of the best times I had. I saw so many different cultural stuff. I had so much good food over there in Xinjiang, because for me it feels like Xinjiang food is a little bit like Turkish food, and for us Europeans, especially for me as a German, I love that stuff. That city was crazy because that was basically in Kashgar, and Kashgar is the most western city in Xinjiang, and it's surrounded by a desert. And the crazy thing is, you basically have always sandstorms. So in order to prevent the city to have all these crazy sandstorms, they built these artificial forests, as you can see from my drone shots. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. And it's me. I really had a good time, honestly. Got a little bit sunburned, but I think that's normal. And the next place is Mount Wutai in Shanxi province. I was there last autumn, and it's supposed to be actually one of the biggest, highest mountains over there, with more than 3,000 meters. And it's a huge Buddhism place. I don't really understand everything about Buddhism, but as you can see, all these buildings, it's just crazy, and it's breathtaking to be there and see all these buildings. Definitely, I was taking all these beautiful shots, and at the same time they allowed me actually to drive a German car like Porsche. So yeah, that's me last year. Once you get into the Pingyao ancient city, you basically eat in there, you sleep in there, your hotel is in there, your Airbnb is in there, and that tower is the oldest tower here. Yeah, look at that shot, isn't it beautiful? It's one of the oldest towers, and it's actually the center of the city. That is our Airbnb. We got our own little garden, and it was beautiful, for sure, yeah. And having all that nice Shanxi food, I gained a lot of weight, that's for sure. Beautiful, yeah, our Airbnb. Okay. One of my favorite places when it comes to food is Hongqing. So that is one of the bridges in Hongqing. You got a nice coffee over there close. Yeah, that is a coffee close to that bridge and close actually to the center of Chongqing. If you like spicy, if you like hot pot, please go to Chongqing. And last but not least, Guishan Dao, 就是 Guishan Island, close to Zhuhai. Yeah, let's get it. These are the drone shots. It was beautiful. If you want to go there, you basically have to go there by boat, and you start from Zhuhai, and it takes you about an hour to get to that island. It's a really small island, and it feels like you just have one street over there, one coffee shop. It's perfect for relaxing, go swimming, and that's basically everything. You can walk, literally walk around that island within, I think, 2 hours. And that little mountain over there is actually already Hong Kong, so it's pretty close to Hong Kong. That's a beautiful drone shot. That is the place where I stayed. Also a little Airbnb. I think it was about $60 per night, and we had that amazing view to the ocean, and to the right there was actually a school. I think it was a middle school. That's our Airbnb. Beautiful. And you can see the middle school. So you got lucky if you can be on an island and go to school over there, because there are literally no people, and it's just beautiful. Yep, that's the entire island, and that's it basically about my favorite spots I've been to. So that's it basically for that video, and you can also let me know in the comments what place would you prefer to go to here in China. I really love Yangshan. I've actually never been to Hainan. I think that's gonna be the place I'm gonna go to next month. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.